Hello, welcome to Rick's Kits. I was going to make my Flag of the Viking bust the last kit of the year. I've had this sitting in the stash for a hell of a long time, and I did partially start it. The Aitfix 124th Messerschmitt BF109 E4-E3. So what the heck? Let's crack on and do another aircraft. So I started it this morning. I've got a fair way with it already. I mean, there's not a lot of pieces in this kit anyway. So let me show you what I've got so far. Okay, so you got some of the pieces. See some of the pieces over the back. I've started getting the wings together. It's got a cannon mounted in the wing. This panel doesn't come out off. It's supposed to, but it's that loose. It just keeps falling out. So there's no actual part. Bit of a misfit on this part of the wing. So again, there's nothing I can really do about that, other than put some putty on it. I think the flap works. Yeah, the flap's working. Got a bit of a boo-boo there, which we need to sort out. So that's one. Number two, the flap moving on it. It's a bit clicky. I can't make out what. I think it's something up this end that's causing that nonsense. Doesn't go bad together too bad. Like I said, these are the. This one ain't too bad of a fit. It's better than the other one, so I may not have to put any putty in that one. Well, actually, no, I think I might. There's a massive gap there, so probably have to do that. Started building and painting all the I don't know what you call them. They're there for under the wing. The wheels. Get a little bit of light on here because it's a little bit dark. I don't make it too much because it's got this glossy wheels. So very basic Aitfix. We can probably improve on these by adding a brake line or something if I look it up on the old internet. The rear wheel's done. I've sort of constructed half the pilot and then realised I can't get him in the cockpit anyway, so a white spinner. I haven't even shown you the rest of it yet, have I? I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. So we've painted up prop, white spinner for the prop, so even that don't fit properly. So we've got to make some adjustments here and get it so it fits and sits. I mean, remember, we've got to remember this kit's quite a few years old. Quite a few years old. So that, and then I've done all the engine, got that mounted in, got the cockpit. See it, whether it show up on the camera too. There we go. I've painted all the dials up. I've old internet painted up, and the interior is painted up. There are issues with wing mounting. So it might fit okay there, but we've got a bit of a gap on the back on that one. And then this one's the same. It'll sit nicely there, but then you've got a bit of a gap there, so I don't know if I've got any plastic card or anything I can sit in there as a filler, but yeah, so that's where we're at. That's where I'm at. That's where I've got to so far. Oh, and the rudder's on, movable. Aitfix kits, everything just goes click, 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 click. There's so much work to make them sound better. So, an angle movement and an angle on camera. I don't have an automatic camera for all this, so that's where we're at. That's what we got done so far. On that promise, I'd like to wish all of my subscribers, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year. From me, Rick's Kits. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.